Sugar cane is sweet, but no one swallows it. There are some people you must spit out of your life, no matter how much you like them. The snake in the grass is less dangerous than the envy in a friend's heart. Beware of silent danger. Always choose a person that gives you respect, because respect is more important than love. For a snake to bite you, it must be very close to you. He who betrays you is not far from you. Trust no one. My daughter, be careful. Some people don't hate you loudly, they hate you quietly, while pretending to clap for you. Be careful of who you trust. Some people smile at you, but pray for your downfall behind your back. 2 life lessons you must learn. Number 1, never celebrate too early. Number 2, never lose hope until the end. Success belongs to those who balance the hunger to win with the discipline to finish.